Hi, I'm Andy Bortz, and I'm the Instructional Technology Support Specialist for the Office of Information Technology. In this video, we'll cover some helpful tips and tricks that you can use in your RebelFlex classroom. In a RebelFlex classroom, if you normally write content on the whiteboard, we highly recommend writing that content on the document camera surface or bringing your own paper to write your content. That makes it much easier for your in-person audience to see everything you write on the large projection screen, and it also makes it easier for your remote audience to see in their WebEx windows and in a recording once class concludes. If you have specialized software and you would like to bring in your own laptop, you can connect your own laptop to the available cables on the lectern surface. Just remember that if you're planning to share any of this content with your audience, you'll want to make sure that you have your device join the WebEx session separately so that your remote audience can see the same content with the same quality that the in-person audience will see. Even though the microphones in the room are picking up all of the audio, it's still a great habit to repeat any questions that are asked in the in-person audience so that the remote audience can clearly hear and understand what was being asked. If you have a TA or another assistant in your course, you can make them a co-host for your WebEx session. That will allow your co-host to be able to monitor the questions and answers, mute anybody who may have left their microphone on, and also help monitor the chat. If you're sharing computer content in WebEx, you want to make sure you click your share button and share your entire screen so that your remote audience sees the best quality picture they can. If you're sharing content from a source other than the computer, make sure to stop sharing your computer content using the Stop Sharing button in WebEx. Then, press the appropriate source button on the touch panel so your audiences can see the correct material. If you need assistance with how to use any of the other technology in a RebelFlex classroom or any classroom, you can contact Classroom Technology Services. If you need assistance with Web Campus, WebEx, Panopto, or any other software-related services, you can contact the IT Help Desk for assistance. We hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us for assistance.